Welcome back to Daruma Cooking. This time let's make a chocolate dessert. This recipe is so easy, I am sure you will love it. First, we need dark chocolate, sugar, agar powder. Make sure you read about the ratio of milk and the agar powder. And also we need milk. Pour 400 gram milk, add 4 gram agar powder, stir evenly and leave it for a moment. Cut 120 gram chocolate. If too hard, you can cut it into smaller chunks. Now let's get back to the milk. Use low-medium heat. Add 80 gram sugar and then let's add dark chocolate. Make sure you're stirring it all the time, otherwise the bottom part will be burned. After it gets boiled, continue stirring the mixture until it becomes smooth for about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour into the mold and after it's cooling down, let's keep in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Thank you for watching. Click the like button if you enjoy the videos, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe for more cooking videos. See you next time. Ciao.